This is Francis turbine experiment. So this is a Francis turbine. First let me tell you what are all the readings you are supposed to take. So this is the speed of the turbine. This is the head on turbine, that is the delivery head. This is suction head gauge. This is P1, P2. And here you have torque meter reading P1 and P2. Okay, so these are the main things that you are supposed to note it down. Now how to start the experiment? It is simple. First you open the valve completely, switch on the pump. Okay, when you switch it on, please observe this delivery head. You are supposed to adjust this knob. Okay, with valve you have to adjust this in such a way. Here your head reads 1.5 kg per centimeter square. This head reads 1.5 kg per centimeter square. This has to outer scale. This has to read 1.5 kg per centimeter square. So till it reads 1.5 kg per centimeter square, you have to keep closing this. The moment it reads 1.5 kg per centimeter square, note down for 0, 0 load. For 0, 0 load over here. For 0, 0 load over here, you have to note down T1, T2 here. Delivery head, suction head, P1, P2, and here speed of the turbine. You have to note down all these readings. Okay, this is the first trial. Second trial for constant head. Second trial, what to do? Apply the load. Here you have to apply the load. How much you should apply? You keep rotating this till the back side reads 1 kg. Okay, you keep applying the load till it reads 1 kg. The moment it reads 1 kg, here, note down, this will slightly vary. No need to worry about it. You still consider this as 1.5 kg itself. Okay, this will slightly vary, but keep this as 1.5 kg itself. You note down the speed. Note down the speed. This delivery head, suction head, P1, P2, P1, P2, and that has 1 kg which you have applied. That is the second trial. Third trial, again apply the load till it reads 2 kg. 2 kg. The moment it reads 2 kg, again note down what is the speed. Head again it will be 1.5 kg itself. Assume it as 1.5 kg itself. Note down the speed. It is 1.5 kg. This suction head, P1, P2, and this again you have noted. So like this you have to conduct the experiment for constant head. Okay. Suppose if you have got constant speed experiment. Okay. How to do it? It is simple. Again restart from first. This has to be 0, 0. That has to be completely open. Switch on the pump. Okay. Once it is done, keep closing this valve. Keep closing this valve till it reads 1500 rpm. Okay. You keep closing this valve like this till it reads 1500 rpm. The moment it reads 1500 rpm, note down 0, 0, T1, T2, 0, 0. Delivery head, suction head, speed as 1500 which you have already set. P1, P2 value. This is the first trial. Second trial, apply the load. You apply the load, how much? Till it reads 1 kg. The moment it reads 1 kg, you have applied the load. As you have applied the load, there will be tightening in the wheel where reduces the speed of the rotor. Okay. As the speed drops, we are doing it for constant speed. I want that speed to be 1500 rpm. But the moment I apply the load, the speed will drop. So to compensate the speed, we have to open this little bit. When we open this little bit, more water will flow on the turbine and again the speed will increase to 1500 rpm again. Okay. So when it reaches again 1500 rpm, note down delivery head, suction head, P1, P2, 1500 rpm which you made it constant, T1, T2 which you already applied 1 kg. That is second trial. Third trial, again close this valve. Tighten this till it reaches 2 kg. Then again there will be a drop in RPM. So open that more till it reaches 1500 RPM. Once it reaches 1500, note down speed, delivery head, suction head, P1, P2 for 2 kg load application. Okay. So like this you can continue with the experiment. This is your transistor. Transistor. Thank you.